I said that was only with the program. She had her, she's younger than me. Gloria had it like daddy last week. Okay, she's in her 80s, I'm not doubting she should have had it before me. But, you know, there's all the frustrations out there that people are sort of forgotten about. You know, my son.